from the chromatic scales, the diatonic scales, pentatonic scales, major, minor, diminished, or augmented, triads, intervals. I have a sense of how chords got constructed, how the intervals are set apart, major, first to third to fifth, minor, diminished, augmented. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or a sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently, how to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration.